we have completed all of the coursework for this course for this semester. So we are all at the end of this semester. We have this week and next week, and we will be done this semester. So this week and all the way through midnight on Tuesday, your assignment will be to improve your grade till you get it to a point that you are satisfied with it. So how can you improve your grade as a student? Well, the very first thing I would do is I would look at your test category. Okay, in your test category, you can redo any quiz or test given after spring break. Okay, so you can redo any quiz or test given after spring break first. Then you can redo any quiz or test given before spring break. Okay, so that means that you should be looking at your test category. We have a lot fewer tests than we do homework assignments. So a test is worth more points in your test category than a single assignment is in your assignment or your coursework category. So I would first approach the test category, okay? Look for the quizzes that we took after spring break. I believe there were 2 of them. Okay, there was a radical one, and then I believe there was one solving quadratic equations that you took. Okay, so take a look at those 2 quizzes. If you're not satisfied with your grade, you can rework those. You must do the complete assignment, the complete quiz, not just the portions that I had marked wrong, but you must redo the entire thing. I will regrade it and put it a new grade for you. Once you complete and improve your grade on the quizzes that were given after spring break, you can then ask me to reopen or re-give you the quizzes that we took before spring break if you have 1 or 2 that were not up to your standards. Then what would be the next thing I would do? I would take a look at my coursework category. Okay. Again, you have to improve on assignments given after spring break. Okay, you have to improve on these first. Don't ask me for an assignment that was before spring break if you still have 0s in assignments given after spring break. Okay, you must improve on those assignments given after spring break first. Once you improve on those given after spring break, then you can ask me for assignments given before spring break. Okay, so that's how I would approach this. I would totally take a look. Maybe you did really well in your test category and you don't need to do, you don't need improvement there, but you need improvement in your coursework category. You can skip your test work category and go straight to your coursework. But again, things have to be improved on assignments that were given after spring break, assignments and quizzes given after spring break first. Once you have completed those, because we have had a lot of assignments after spring break, once you've completed those, then you can move to assignments and quizzes given before spring break. Okay, so don't ask me for anything for before spring break unless you have completed everything in that category after spring break. Okay, so this is the end of the year. So you have until, let's see, Tuesday. I believe that is 5/19/2020. Midnight is the last I will accept any assignment for grade improvement. All right, so that is your assignment for the entire week. I have nothing else for you. This week and next week, you have 7 class days to improve your grade in this class. It has been a joy and a pleasure having you guys in class. It is fun. It has been fun to see you guys grow as students and to see you be successful in this class for those that have been. And it'll be great fun to see you grow throughout the upcoming years at Seton Catholic. Have a great summer.